friends. My name is Meredith Roddy, and I am about to start on my mask making journey. So, usually, you know me as someone who makes a lot of jewelry, and I am about to change over my whole workspace to go into production to join the mask making movement. It is so important now for us creative types, and even people who don't consider themselves to be creative types, to dust off your sewing machine, get out all of your fabric scraps, find a pattern online, and start making masks. And that's what I'm doing now. I found a perfect pattern online. I went through my fabric stash. I thought I had a lot more in there, but I don't. So my next step is going to be going through some old t-shirts, some old fabric, some old clothes that I have that I might be able to upcycle to use to make masks for our incredibly brave healthcare workers, people out in the field, and also for my neighbors. We had a call, a plea on my neighborhood Facebook page asking for people to make masks. And that's actually what started me thinking, so something that I can do. I have a sewing machine. I have the supplies. Now all I need to do is change over the studio and start learning how to do this. So join me on my journey. When you see me again, hopefully I will have figured out all of the steps that I need to do, make sure I have all of the materials, and we'll have some sample masks to show.